So you want to browse the internet, and for some reason your network seems to be very bad. Maybe because of the location that you are in right now. Worry no more. I've got a solution for you. I was in this too. Head to your Play Store or App Store and search for 4Light. Just for LIT and search. If you see the first app that appears is Force LTE only 4G/5G. Click on it, install this app. Now the app has been installed. The solution to your problem has been installed. Head to the app, open it, enable, open, and see it's easy. Force your phone to work only on like 3G or 2G, but we're not going to use 3G or 2G. We're going to use 4 or 5G. Allow. I will show you guys how to use dBm meter. This will be another video, but for now we are going to work on our network. So click on get started, and the application has been launched. Now this is where the work starts. What you're going to do is you're going to look for your Android version. You see we have the Android version below 11, and we have Android version 11 plus, and we have legacy, those bigger higher levels. But the first thing to do, how to check your Android version, is this. I already know mine, but because of you guys, I don't know, somebody might not know, so you have to do this. Go to your settings and click my phone. You see my the Android version of my phone is, oh gosh, this video has, oh, all right, my Android version is 12. So I'm going to go with the Android version 11 plus. That's my is above 11. If yours is below 11, you go with Android below 11. So if you pick this Android 11 plus, you will see some. Mine is Android 11 plus. Mine is 12, so it's 11 plus that I'm going to work on. Then click on this place. Sorry guys if I am being so fast. Then you will see something like this, and you select phone one, and then come down here, come down here. I've used this app before, that's why mine is showing 4G light only. But if I've not used it, it won't be showing that. So it's your duty to select, because it might be on something. It will be on one of these, probably this one. So your work is to select it and put it on that light only, so that it will force the light LTE only. See it, and then you make sure that this place that it is written mobile radio power is active. Like right now it is active, but most times you will see it will be like this, meaning it is not active. So your job is to turn it on, make it active after you select that LTE only, and you are good to go. As long as this thing is on LTE only, even if your airplane mode is on, you will still be able to browse the internet. This is the surprising part of this thing, this whole software. Even if your flight mode is on, you see now I've turned off my flight mode and my mobile radio power has went off. Now click and turn it on. See that my flight mode is on, right? But watch and see the magic right now. I will be able to browse even with my flight mode on. Let's see, let me search how to be a billionaire, because I want to be a billionaire very soon. Or maybe you might say that I've already searched that, so it is here. Tell me something that I will search. How to make bake a chicken breast, and search. You see everything is working. Or you might say that maybe I have already opened it. That's why. Click on Facebook. Facebook will still open for you, and if that is not enough evidence for you, go to YouTube, and you will still be able to watch your videos and do whatever you want to do. Only that if someone calls you now, it will not come, because you are forcing light, you are on 4G light. So this is it guys. Please, if this video is helpful to you in any way, subscribe to this channel. You will be seeing amazing videos, in fact more amazing than this. I promise, I always deliver. Also like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to more people who are suffering from network issues. This is Niger, and Nigerians don't like giving us network. Even after we have spent a lot of money on data, they still screw us up. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.